This is BBC One. We're sorry that we were unable to complete our programmes tonight. This was due to a small fire here at Television Centre, which meant that we all had to leave the building. Everyone is now safely back in Television Centre and will be on the air at the normal time tomorrow morning. In the meantime, a quick look ahead to programmes for Thursday evening. And that was the rundown for Thursday evening here on BBC One. The time now is just after 13 minutes past 1, and BBC One is closing down. Just a quick reminder that radios 1 and 2 stay on the air right through the night. But now, from all of us here, it's a very good night from BBC One.
You